Question number 7, provincial elections. During Quebec provincial elections, the population of each of the 125 districts elects a member according to plurality voting. The table below lists the results of the 2007 and 2008 elections. A. Which party led the government in 2007? In 2007, we had 48 Liberal seats. So let's have a look at this in a spreadsheet. We have the party, and we have the Liberals, we have the PQ, we have the ADQ, we have Quebec Solidaire, we have the Quebec Green, and other. This is in 2007. The number of seats, 48. 36, 41, 0, 0, 0. The number of votes, 131, 3, 6, 6, 4, 1, 1, 2, 5, 5, 4, 6, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 8, 152, 885, 9,693. Let's figure out the totals. So the sum of all these guys is 125. Let's look at the sum of these ones. Okay, which party led the government in 2007? These people had 48 seats. They have more seats, so they led the government, the Liberal Party. In 2008, also the Liberal Party. B, did this party have a majority in 2007? Explain your answer. In 2007, they had 48 seats out of the 125. Well, let's figure what that is as a percent. 48 out of 125. That's only 0.384 or 38.4%. So if I multiply by 100, there we have it, 38.4%. If we look at the number of votes, we have 1,313,664 votes out of 3,970,618 votes. So that amount, which is 33%. If we multiply by 100, there we have it. They only had 38.4% of the seats and 33.084% of the votes. In either case, they did not have majority. 48 out of 125, which is 0.384. No, they only had 38.4% of the seats. In 2008, did they have a majority? Let's go and fill in all the data for 2008. There's all of our data for 2008. Let's do the same calculations down here. 125 seats. In 2008, the Liberals had 52.8% of the seats, but only 42% of the popular vote. So they only had 42% of the vote. If we're talking about seats, yeah, they had a majority. And that is what we are talking about. They had 66 out of the 125 seats, which is 0.528 or 52.8. So yes, they had 52.8 of the seats. C, describe the composition of Quebec's parliament had the members been elected based on proportional representation. I'm going to move this over a little bit. We're going to look at proportional representation. We have this many votes out of that many people equals that out of that. But we have to lock onto the C10, so I'm putting a little $sign between the C and the 10. So that's my fraction. And we have 125 seats times 125. So we have 41.355. Let's fill that down like that. If I add those all up, it should give me 125 seats. I want to round these down, so I'm using a formula called floor. So rounds it down, fill that down. How many seats do we have? Only 122 out of the 125, so we need to give 3 more seats. So let's look at the remainder. This is the seats, and this is the remainder. If I do that number, take away this number, it's going to give us the remainder in each case. Fill that down. Then I'm going to take my remainders. I'm just going to paste them here. So edit, paste special values only. So it's just my values of the remainders. I'm going to put the party names beside them like that. We are going to sort this. Data, sort by column F, and we're going from largest to smallest and sort. Okay, so the Quebec Green Party gets 1 more. I'm going to put extra seats. The Green Party gets 1 more. Then the Quebec Solidarity Party gets 1. And then the ADQ gets 1. We only needed 3 more. The total seats equals my 41 seats plus any of the extras. Fill that down. Command D. For the Liberal Party, we have 41 seats, 35 for the PQ, 39 for the ADQ, 5 for the Solidarity, and 5 for the Green Party. Let's do the same calculation for, we have that number out of total number of votes. Putting the $sign to lock that down. It's going to be 0.42. We're going to get like 42% of the seats. We have 125 seats, so I'm going to multiply this number times 125, then fill this down. If I add them all up, I get the sum of all these. I have 125. Okay, so I'm going to want to round these down. So floor of that number, 52 seats, go to the Liberals. Let's fill that down. Then the remainder is going to be that number, take away that number, fill that down. Then who gets the extra seats? So I'm going to copy that, paste edit, paste special, paste values only, and I'm going to go and copy the name of all the parties and put it beside them like that. Then we are going to sort according to these numbers. Data, sort range by column M. We're going from largest to smallest and sort. The PQ is going to get 1 extra. Quebec Solidarity, 1 extra. How many seats do we have? Let's add those up. We have only 121, so we need to give away 4 seats. We have to do this 4 times. So the PQ, Quebec Solidarity, Green, and the Liberal Party each get an extra seat. So the Green gets 1, and the Liberal Party gets 1. Let's add up all our seats. Is equal to that number plus this number. Fill that down. The total number of seats is 125. This is adding up all of these. So we have 125 seats. We've given away all the seats. In 2007, 41 seats would have, if they're doing proportional representation, 41 seats would have gone to the Liberals, 35 to the PQ, 39 to the Action Democratique, 5 to the Solidarity Party, 5 to the Green Party, and nothing to the other parties. In 2008, 53 seats would have gone to the Liberals, 44 to the Parti Québécois, 20 to the Action Democratique, 5 to the Solidarity Party, and 3 to the Green Party. 0 to everyone else. That's it for question number 7. Have a good day.